Today, he's filing his refugee claim. Yesterday, Mustafa Jali was walking across the border.
I just want a life, better life. I just want to get new opportunity, get Canada safe.
He says in Somalia, his family was killed. With that application, the 28-year-old will be able to access limited federal health care, provincial social assistance, and eventually a work permit. For now, he's staying in a Salvation Army shelter.
They treat me good, very good. They treat me, I appreciate that government, Canada, I appreciate that.
Since January 1st, there have been nearly 140 others who have crossed into Manitoba, all drawing on resources stretching thin.
As an inclusive
in a province where the Premier says refugees are welcome.
As Manitobans have never, ever turned their backs on people in need.
But Brian Pallister insists this sudden influx of illegal crossings is a national issue requiring national attention.
To improve the way we do things and to help to make sure that we're addressing a situation that some would fear is getting somewhat out of hand.
Canada does not accept refugee applicants from the U.S., but under international law will accept a refugee claim from someone who manages to get into the country. Recent changes to American immigration policy are driving mostly African asylum seekers north. So far, Manitoba and Quebec are seeing most of the crossings. For now, the RCMP and Border Services have reallocated resources. As for greater financial support or changes to policy, the Public Safety Minister says the situation is being assessed.
We need to clearly understand this and anticipate where the ebbs and flows may go over the next number of weeks and months. We want to make sure that the country is prepared.
Manitoba, meanwhile, is putting more paramedics on the border and increasing funding for housing and settlement programs, which Jali will need to access as he waits for his refugee board hearing.
I don't know what's going to happen later.
Now, as he waits, it's likely Manitoba's refugee system will get even more stretched. The expectation here is there's likely more people headed towards the border. Cameron McIntosh, CBC News, Winnipeg.